Hi, John here. In this video, I would like to give you 3 tips that will help your product page, and basically it will increase your conversion rate. It's more like, not just like 3 tips, it's like showing you 3 most common errors that people actually do with their product pages that cost them money and customers. And well, it definitely like increased that abandonment cart rate, So I will give you that. First, I would like to thank you for sending me all these messages about my videos and also all that feedback and great questions that you are asking in my free Facebook mastermind group at Federation. Well, if you're still in a Federation, definitely join that group because it's awesome. It's full of people who spend millions of dollars every month on Facebook. They are running high-level e-commerce stores, so definitely join that group. Well, and if you are watching my videos, every day, every week, and you would like to see more of them, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and also if you have some interesting idea about future videos, because I'm always looking for some new ideas, then definitely comment below. Okay, now I will go through these 3 tips, that will immediately increase your conversion rate for your page. Basically, this is all about product page. It doesn't matter if you are running Shopify stores, Commerce HQ stores. Basically, that product page almost look same, or very similar. And I see these kind of like mistakes on so many stores. The biggest thing that you can do, on your product page, and that's like when you are too much distracting people. You are distracting them from that main purpose that basically they should do on your page, and buy it. And like so many people does it, like everybody is trying to distract people with millions of other things, that are like flying over that page, instead of like making it simple. Okay, I just want to have like completely like simple process, on my page. I just want people to come there, know exactly what they are buying, and then go through it. Okay, you can see here like this is like how I built my page. Basically, most of my pages look like this, and I will just like explain it here. So first, this is Commerce HQ. I use also Shopify, but mostly I use Commerce HQ, and Shopify will be very similar, so it will work for everybody. Basically, like you can see, okay, so this is my like layout, right? So here I have images, and a couple of images about product. I usually put there just like image of that product from like multiple sites. Okay, so let's say you have a cup, so we'll put like one shot from the top, but from side, then from like bottom, so it's not even like very emotional image, but it will actually like give that person exactly what they are buying. Okay, because they already know what they are buying from that video that I showed them in my Facebook ads. Okay, then you can see, okay, so I just have like a name of product, price, price before. Here I have like time counter. Okay, so this is like a classic thing. I think like everybody already use it. If not, just do use it. And then basically starts my like text layout, right? So I always start here with a review. Okay, and that's like emotional review, so person can basically read it and imagine story, of that product. So basically somebody who already bought it, they're explaining how they like took that product, like for example took them that product camping, and what it did for their lives, so that's like first thing. Okay, then I basically explain them what's kind of like offer they are going to get, right? So if it's buy one get one free, if it's like I don't know, like 70% discount, whatever, I do it here. Then I don't like spend too much time with like text, because I don't want them like to read like half of book. Okay, I just will give them like main features about the product that are like for me very important, so they understand again what they are buying, what it exactly does. Okay, so they are not confused. Then I give them some like specification, for example like dimensions, like how much it weighs, or like what is inside of box exactly. Then I move to images of that product. So basically I show like, for example, two different images of that product in action, right? First one is always like something like more emotional, so people can see like some emotional professional shot of that product, so they can like again imagine in their lives. Second thing is always like dimensions, for example. So I usually take one of those like professional photos and then like put there like some dimensions, so they can also like imagine how it looks like. And then I go to reviews. Okay, because I want them, basically those reviews are like, I think the biggest selling point of the product page, because on that product page they will see a lot of like photo reviews. I don't do any like text reviews. I always use like photo reviews. So I always like show photo review, and stars, and then text of that person who bought it and what was their story. So I usually like keep there like only reviews that are actually like great stories. I don't want to have there like some like weird reviews without any emotions. What you will, for example, not see on my product pages are these like common things, like I don't upsell people on those product pages. Okay, so if I am sending somebody to specific product, I don't give them some like option, to check another product. Okay, I don't want them to leave that product page. I just want them to stay on that product page and check that product. Okay, I see like a lot of people who always like put, for example, like in the middle of page, like 5 different products that you could like, basically by that you are like literally saying that person like, oh, look at me, I'm sad, you are already on this page, but I still don't believe you will buy it, so please, 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 like, look at this, look at this product, maybe you will buy it, like, pretty please. Okay, so that's just like not good, because first, like, you are showing like that you don't trust what you are doing. Okay, it's like if you are launching like a product, just like send people to that product page. Don't try to like send them on like 50 different places. Okay, so if they wouldn't want to buy the product, okay, they will leave. You can retarget them with some other product, but don't try to like send them on the product page and then like upsell them with like 70 different products before they will even make the decision. Okay, just because you don't trust yourself. Okay, another thing what I never do is like wheels of like magic and fortune. Okay, so like, I mean, that's like so retarded. I can't even like explain how stupid it is. Okay, I mean, yeah, it's like cool to get emails. Like, first, most people will not even like work with emails. Okay, they will just like get tons of emails that they will never use. Okay, so that's like first thing. Second thing is that usually those like wheel of fortunes, they are like set that they will like appear on that screen when you are trying to like go to left corner. Well, it kind of like sucks because like in most cases, when you will get that like wheel of fortune, it's just by mistake. Okay, so you for example didn't even want to like leave. Okay, you just like were like scrolling on phone or something and it just like appeared, and it will immediately like destroy, that moment. Basically, that customer is like trying to build some connection with your product on the product page, and then you will basically like kill it, with like some stupid wheel of fortune, that will like not do anything for your for you. It will not make you like more money. Basically, it will just like completely like put like a nail, in that moment where that person maybe was already like hesitating. They will like buy it, like, and trying to like imagine life with that product, and then you just like killed it. So definitely like don't use these wheel of fortunes. Don't be one of these people. Try to keep that product page like very simple, so these people can like float, through it, because that selling process, it's not so difficult. It's like very easy. You just send them there, and then you basically let to consume that content, and try to like make it easiest as possible for them without any distractions, because these people already have like distracted lives. They are sitting on Facebook, you don't know in like what condition they are sitting there. Maybe like around them are like screaming children. So you never know. Okay, and if you will put there like more distractions, it will not work. And I think that's why also people get like so many abandonment cards, because people are leaving, because you basically are like killing that moment with like all these apps and distractions. So yeah, definitely like don't do it. Okay, pricing your product well, I think well, pricing your product is like very important. Okay, and people just like don't think about it much. They don't calculate their margins, and they do like very bad job. So first you need to like price them high. Okay, problem is that, okay, let's me give you some like scenario, okay, from like real life. First, you are running ads, Facebook tests like 20 products, 50 products, you are almost like very like stressed, and then that winning product is there. you get it, you know, you found a supplier, you know, great, you start scaling that product, okay? Then you are running your ads every day, you are making more money, you are scaling high, you know, and like life is awesome, okay? But then at some point that product, when you scale it high, will start falling down, okay? And if you set that price well, then that fall will be like very slow because you have like this very big like safety cushion, okay? So before you will fall to some like loss, you will you will have like tons of time to basically like again restart, you know, get team together and start searching for a new product. However, if you didn't really think about your product price, you are on the way to hell, okay? Because if you set your price like low just to keep selling it, then you are having like couple things that will probably like kill you on the way down, okay? So first, that fall will not be that slow like with higher margin, because with higher margin you will be falling like very slowly, but with small margin it's like these like falls are like instant sometimes, okay? You can be running like 2 ROAS one day, like second day you are at 1.7, 1.5, 1.3, you are already like in loss. Well, problem is that if you, for example, made a lot of like sales, you know, with the product, you will get a lot of refunds, some chargebacks, and then you are having team, like all these things will like start like paying on you, you know, they will be like shutting you down, you know, and well, that's why you need to really like think about the product price, you know, and price it high. Otherwise, when these things will come, you need to have that time, you know, so you can restart everything, you know. Even if you were not testing more product, then you need to have the time to again restart the testing process and start testing, you know. But with that higher margin, you will be 4 weeks in profit or months, you know. So that's like very like positive testing, you know. But if you will basically like fall immediately with small margin, you will be in like hell instantly, and it's like not a good way, you know, to like keep testing and burning money for new products while you are also burning money with your other product, you know. Third and last things, I mean there are like tons of other things, but I think that first thing that you can probably change immediately is that discount bar that you are using on your page. Because, well, I mean, almost every store that I see have some discount bar, okay? And most of these people don't understand that discount bar should really like, it's like another way of advertising, okay? People like use them like really like stupid way, you know? If you are using the discount bar, don't try to use it like other people. Like for example, I always see like some black discount bar or like a red one that's like even more awesome. It doesn't definitely scream like danger, you know, like a red car. So they basically use that, and then they like throw there some like over $50, you know, you will get free shipping, or like buy two, you know, you will get like 20% discount, and that's it, okay? They use like that discount bar wrong. Imagine, okay, the discount bar is on every page, okay? Usually people put it on every page, so it's on every product page, it's about page, it's basically everywhere, okay? That means that the discount bar can also, because it's like first thing that they will see, can like set a tone of your page, okay? So what you need to do, and what I do always, is that first you need to take the discount bar and set there like some very positive, like warm color, okay? Like light green, you know, like light blue, or yeah, or something like that, okay? So it's like friendly color, okay? Because first you are like selling them, but it's like a tag, okay? So you need to show them that you are a friend, okay? First. Then what you need to do is also like use some emojis. Okay, so I want to give them, for example, 10% discount, okay? But I will not just like throw there like use code 123, get 10% off. Okay, it's like stupid and cold. What I do is I basically like write a sentence, you know, so it looks like I'm their friend, and I'm like very scared that they will forget to use that code, okay? So I will do like something like, hey, like please like remember, like don't forget to use the 10% discount code in your checkout. And I put like some smile, you know, like at the end, like some friendly smile. But I make it like, so it's like a sentence that I would tell a person that would stand next to me, okay? It's not really like a formal way how to tell them what I want to, it's not like formal way, it's really like friendliest way as possible how I would offer that person a discount, okay? I'm basically begging him to do not forget in checkout to use the discount code. So basically I'm already telling him that he will be in the checkout and he should not forget the discount code, okay? You are mind fucking them already, okay? And your whole product page should be about mind fucking, okay? So you should understand like some like basic psychology of people, okay? Because they already like came to your page, and then you need to really like make it as easy as possible. Basically every line of your text or image needs to like play together, you know, so you need to look like friendly, it needs to look clean, you know, so when they are going to pay you, they understand that they are making actually a great decision, okay, and not have like some second thoughts, okay. So yeah, that's what it's all about, you know. It's like about making that product page or like whole store, you know, as friendliest as possible, okay. So they are like putting their guards down, okay, so you can like attack them. And yeah, so that's what it's all about. So thank you for watching my video, and well, if you are still not in Ad Federation, definitely join that group, you know, it's awesome and people are actually very active, and once you will get in, you will understand that actually it's like interesting, because since my videos are like very long and very like in depth, only people who are joining Ad Federation are really like people who are searching for like specific problems, okay, which are like very advanced. So most people who are not really like advanced and they are like at the beginning of their journey will not even find that group, you know. So basically everybody who is like joining in, usually when they post some of their first post, it's always like something like very advanced. So if you will join that group, you will really like join high spending Facebook ad community, okay? And definitely do not forget to download my free ebook, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. I've wrote it to get you out of the Facebook circle of hell. So if you got recently flagged, or your Facebook advertising access was restricted, or your customer feedback score basically killed your page, then definitely download it, because I go through all these things, you know, and explain how you can actually overcome them, you know. Or if you do got some like hardcore, ban, your business was banned, I will explain you there how to actually restart everything, so you can keep offering your services, and keep selling basically. So definitely download that, and thank you for watching my video. I will see you in next one. Bye.